Is not it a magic? A place which was infamous for the illegal mining activities for years has become a tourist attraction in a matter of few months. These mines are located just about 2.5 kilometers from the National Highway 16 and less than 40 kilometers from Bhubaneswar. Being a bit inside from the main road, the place feels a bit isolated and it is recommended to come in group. There are two entry points to this site. If you take the first one, the road is in better condition and any high ground clearance vehicle can reach this spot directly, and you have to do very little amount of work. I will be showing the road from both sides in the course of the video. For the current coronavirus situation, it is better to stay at home. And if you are still planning to come, then come in car so that there is lesser chance of exposure. And please keep the social distancing. Many birds stay here, so it is a bit tricky to fly here. Please fly it safely within the line of sight, as recovery of the drone will be difficult in case of any mishap. As for locals, the place is a government land and illegal mining activities used to carried out here during night even after the National Green Tribunal ordered to stop mining. The mining work had made the place polluted and locals used to suffer from pollution and blasting activities which were damaging the residential homes. From around November 2019, the mining activities were stopped following the National Green Tribunal order, and now the mining sites have got filled with water, resulting in the beautiful water bodies. This green colored water could be polluted, so better not to take it in mouth or taking a bath here. The water level could be very deep, so it is better not to go inside. These stones doesn't look like that hard or solid rocks usually used for the road and other construction works. This looks like in soft and continuous form. Apparently the Mogoni pathars as they look dark or the laterite stones known as Mankada Pathra used as bricks in making of walls, also for decorative works. Such stones are used in many temples including the Konark Sun Temple. Hi, I am Satyajit. It is 5:20 in morning and today we are going to see the Nijigarh Tapang stone mines near Khurdha. बेटा गूगल पे हो जी पेटीएम किसी भी नहीं खाली कार्ड कोठी जीवा ସେଇଠି ଯିବା ମୁଁ ଭାବୁଛି We have crossed Khurdha and few green hills can be seen on left. There used to be around 10 such hills and only few are left in the original shape. By taking a left from here you can reach the mining site. For today we will be approaching from the other side. It is a trending place near Bhubaneswar nowadays for the green water bodies and remaining of the partially mined hill. It is about 6 am and we have almost reached the site. Because of the forward message and video received yesterday, we are a bit cautious and will be on alert. There is a car parked over here. No one else can be seen nearby. There is no such flags or marking to show that it is a restricted place, but the entry to road is blocked with two huge stones. There is a side road, but it will be difficult for small car to go. We can see few people here. Look like they have come for a morning walk in the car parked outside. Road is filled with slush in this section due to movement of the heavyweight vehicles. Now going to the fourth mining site. This is the most popular one. If you come via the fast entry, it will be the very fast site.
डर लगुच भाई
This is the road condition from the fast entry side. It is the only way in which cars can go. There are some big potholes in some places, so it is better to come in high ground clearance vehicles. Though the mining activities has stopped for now, the process seems to be active. They could be getting the raw material from outside.
पुलिस धरदेला
ओ पोट पोट
पोर्ट भितर आमे पोर्ट भितर हम निजे पोर्ट वाला जो फिल्म देखा है ना ये जो कौन सीटा वंस अपने मुंबई जो कौन था ना सुल्तान मिर्जा वाले पूरा बुलूजू पोर्ट भितर कई अटको नहीं बुलूजू एग्जिट करो आप दोनों किसी अंदर आ गए क्यों आए हो यहाँ पे हम घूमने नहीं घूमने का जगह है घूमने का जगह नहीं हम तो कोई नहीं रोका अगर रोकता हम थोड़ी ना आप पूछ लीजिए एंट्री पे हम तो कोई नहीं रोका ना से फोटो उठेला हमर गाड़ी नंबर नोट कर हेलमेट गोल जा जाओ ये इससे निकल जाओ जल्दी